Hello, my name is Dr. Rosselli. For years as a state policy analyst, I used data to inform decision making in legislation. Like many of you, I found spreadsheets, line graphs, and dashboards helpful but incomplete. This video on the coronavirus showcases an innovative three-dimensional data visualization tool created by my colleague Martin Kagan from Data Cocoon, which I'm eager to share. The COVID-19 virus is providing a compelling example of the need to track, analyze, and project complex data systems on a daily basis, but there are serious limitations. Whereas we need raw data or tables of means and variances, they're not as insightful when hierarchical data are encountered. Data dashboards like that from the Johns Hopkins Coronavirus Resource Center using GIS-based heat maps, data tables, and interactive line graphs are limited in terms of the depth of data that can be presented in a single image. The Institute for Health Metrics and Evaluation at the University of Washington, with funding from the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation, that's using data from the World Health Organization, government agencies, and hospitals, requires the user to interpolate across multiple images. Sites attempting like this to track multiple states are often hard to read and are less likely to be interactive across time. And lastly, interrelationships between variables and data sets cannot be entirely presented with a single image. Using a patented data visualization tool before your eyes allows the user to simultaneously view asynchronous multidimensional data, literally before your eyes. The software allows rotation of these figures on a computer screen, thus allowing comparisons of different branches and their relative sizes. For the past 6 weeks, Data Cocoon founder Martin Kagan has been actively tracking confirmed COVID-19 cases, admissions, recoveries, and deaths with renderings that are further ahead of what others are able to currently represent. He is now making the same tool available to researchers and policymakers to extend the reach and breadth of the current COVID-19 IHME data. As you can see, before your eyes presents the data in a circular pattern, placing the data along a spine with elevations representing individual data points. The visualization is far more compact than a typical spreadsheet and allows data to be easily compared to one another over an extended length of time. Smaller branches can also be compared based on the pattern differences visualized along the central axis. Using visualizations like this also helps to detect data entry errors much easier than via a data spreadsheet. If the pattern is suddenly broken, then one can easily see that one of the numbers is incorrect. Another way of viewing the same data is via density of population, allowing the user to actually see changes by day asynchronously. Unlike other models, Before Your Eyes is able to track a multitude of dimensional attributes at the same time, such as positive cases, negative cases, pending cases, hospitalizations, and deaths over time as key variables. This affords ongoing flexibility as we move forward to monitor different attributes of the data. And rather than showing each country or state individually, one can see every country's total means as well as upper and lower bands using 3 cylinders. Here we see the same type of cylinder on the right showing cases across almost 190 countries. And on the left side, an added feature is a global array arranged by continent, region, and country, showing proportional data value relative to each area's density of population. The model is being taken even further to be able to examine aspects in and over time in relative value terms using the IP to its full extent. This promising methodology has a wide array of innovative applications. Prior to the current health situation, Before Your Eyes has been used to portray the White House budget, climate conditions with CO2 changes, as well as international trade data, some of which are already available on this YouTube channel. For more details, please connect with Data Cocoon founder Martin Kagan. Thank you.